Today we are going to make a DIY beautiful fall leaf. I have a bunch of different fall colors here. We got some flowers, which we're going to make around the wreath. I have some little orange pumpkins and some white pumpkins. I got both of these from the dollar store. So the only thing is I could not find a circle wreath. So this is what I have. Yeah, it's a square. I got this from the dollar store, which was very surprising. They didn't have any at Michael's. So we are going to attempt to make the wreath in a square shape and see how it turns out. I do have these ribbon. I got these also from the dollar store. It has these nice pretty fall leaves on it. This one was like a golden orange glow, and this one was the same but in white. So we're just gonna see which one looks better, or maybe stack them both and see what it looks like. And to top it off, I have a nice little sign here. I plan on putting it in the middle. It doesn't have any way to hang, so we're going to attempt to figure out how to hang it, but I think it'd be cute. So let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is place the ribbon and wrap it around the wired wreath shape. I'm going to try maybe white first and then the gold and see what it looks like. So this is what the first wrap looked like. You want to kind of do it tight. It might look a little funny at first, but we're getting there, So I'm just gonna glue these two pieces together so it stays put. And then we're going to use the gold and wrap it around again for another nice little gold autumn texture. So here's the product of our wreath. We have the nice little shimmering autumn leaves, and don't worry if it doesn't look the best because the flowers are really just gonna cover everything. It's something nice to cover that wire and it gives it a nice shine. We're gonna take our flowers now and start plucking them off and just placing them around the wreath and making it really pretty. It doesn't really matter where you place them, maybe not too much of the same flowers next to each other, but you kind of wanna grow it out. And we're gonna glue them onto each other. You should glue it to the side, in the middle, and on the other side so it looks really big and beautiful. It's coming out so nice. This is the finished flower part of the wreath. Now we're going to add some little pumpkins here and there, probably not too much close together. Let's see, I have about, where's all my pumpkins? So my dog ate 2 of my pumpkins. You couldn't have picked the white ones. So now I have 3 orange pumpkins left and a ton of white pumpkins. So since I only have 3, we're gonna make sure that they're spread far apart. Maybe 1 on each side and then 1 coming out slanted on the top. Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna break the stem a little bit because you can't really stick these in. I'm gonna glue them in. So maybe halfway. We'll see how this looks. you kind of want the white pumpkins to complement the orange pumpkins. So that's why I put most of them close to what orange pumpkins I have left to give it a nice complement. So now all that is left is my Hello Fall sign. I think I'm gonna try it with this little thin string. It seems pretty strong. My sign has a little bit of a wire, so I'm gonna go right under there so you can't really see the string. Just gonna see it a little bit on top as it's hooked to the wreath. But we're trying to disguise it as much as possible. And here's the results of my DIY fall wreath. I think it came out pretty good.